How to fix Telegram app crashing on iPhone. When Telegram crashes repeatedly on iPhone, the first step is to close the app fully by swiping it away in the app switcher, then reopen it. If it keeps crashing, check for app updates in the App Store and install any available updates, as they often fix bugs. Restart your iPhone to clear any background processes that might cause conflicts. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall Telegram. Make sure your messages are safely stored in Telegram's cloud before deleting the app. Check your iPhone's storage. Low storage can cause apps to misbehave, so free up space if necessary. Have you encountered Telegram crashes on iPhone? Share your solutions in the comments below. Taking these actions usually fixes crashing issues and improves Telegram's stability on iOS. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.